Hey guys, it's Nikki, and welcome to this week's plan with me in my Erin Condren vertical neutral. This is the newer planner, as you can see. So this is obviously a voiceover. I wanted to get a plan with me up. I knew I didn't have time to actually sit down and film anything chatty. I just feel like I still haven't caught up. We are caught up with orders, but at the same time, I've just been, or I should say the shop, everything in the shop has been so nonstop, just for the past month, but even from before that, from before the last UPS sale, that I feel like I haven't had a break at all, even though I went on vacation, but I just feel like there hasn't really been much of a break for me, and I haven't really had time to do any videos. There haven't been vlogs, obviously, there haven't been plan with me's, and then I am leaving again on Sunday to go back down to Florida. I'm going to be there until Wednesday. But I wanted to at least try to sit down and do a voiceover plan with me. So I'm hoping that when I get back, things will be a little bit less hectic and I'll be able to get back to kind of more of a normal filming schedule. I am going to take my camera with me to Disney. I'm not going to promise a vlog, but it's possible I'll get some clips. I'm just going down with Mom and Mike. Like I said, we're only going to be there a few days. And we are going to do like the new Star Wars thing. We have reservations for like the preview for Galaxy's Edge. So I think I'm going to try to get some footage for you guys. Because this isn't like a long, super relaxing, not that the time that Rowan and I went was relaxing, but this isn't like a super long vacation where, you know, it's been a while since I've gone and all of that. I just got back from there. So I think I will try to get some vlog footage for you guys. And then hopefully when I get back, I can kind of get back to more of a normal filming schedule. It's just been so nonstop in the shop, and I thank you guys so much for that, because that's really what it is it's like so much support from you guys that we've got so many orders going out, and it's just like we're constantly working, Mom, Mike, and I, in the shop, and I just haven't had time to also sit down and film. And then I've got a lot of other stuff going on too. Like there's other things that I'm doing. I'm taking more time like for myself to do things and to go out with people and stuff like that. So it's just kind of a mixture of everything. Anyway, that was the explanation that nobody asked for. I'm using a kit from LittleMissPaperie this week, and then I'm also using these really pretty foiled bow scalloped headers from, I believe, Simply Beautiful Plans. I'm pretty sure that's where they're from. I'm going to go ahead and say I don't love the way that this spread turned out this week. It was just a little bit weird the way that I laid everything down. And then I don't have, like, it's, again, so much work that there's not a ton of stuff for me to actually put into the planner. And then, like, on Sunday, we're going to be driving almost all day, so there wasn't much for me to put in there. So it's definitely not my favorite spread, but I do think it turned out really pretty. So I am using I'm sorry, you guys, I'm, like, over here choking. I'm using my custom Aussie stickers. These are from Bean Sprout Paper Co. If you have a pet and you would like custom stickers, she does do custom artwork. And if you guys have ever seen that photo of Ozzy with the stickers in his mouth, I mean, it looks just like him. So anyway, that is what I'm using there. I went ahead and I did my sidebar. I laid my sidebar out kind of strange as well. So I did my weekly tracker, I did a daily tracker, I did one 3-heart checklist, another 3-heart checklist, and then another daily tracker down at the bottom. I've mentioned before, I really like the calendar at the very bottom of this planner, and I didn't want to cover that. So it's kind of what happened. I also went back and forth with my full boxes the way that I normally do, and then I put these work labels on Monday through Friday. I don't know yet what I'm going to track there, because I ended up writing in like kind of what we're working on each day within a different part of that day, so I may end up doing either Mom or Mike's hours in those little label boxes, but I don't think I actually needed those. So for Monday, or for each day, I did a 3-heart checklist, which is different than what I would normally do. So for Monday, I put in mass print Jack and Sally and cut premium. We are almost done with the premium orders for last week. We are like a little bit behind what I would like to be at right now. But I'm going to do my best to get all open orders out that are placed before Friday. I'm going to try my best to get all of those shipped before I leave on Sunday. We will have new releases on Friday, and we will also have a $2 Tuesday that Tuesday. Did not have one this week because I did not want to overwhelm myself, and I want to try to get these orders finished. Down further on Monday, I did put in package, and then I put in this little laundry sticker. It is from Toffee Bananas. And then at the very bottom, I ended up using that little section that has that, what is that, a hexagon? Pentagon? I ended up just writing in run. The washi didn't completely cover, and I could have gone and grabbed like some Simply Gilded or something, but I don't hate having that section. I don't hate having the bottom section that actually has like all of the lines, but anyway. Moving over to Tuesday, wow, I've already just completely flipped to the other side of the planner. Maybe I won't even like go over everything. So Tuesday, which is actually the day that I'm filming this, I had a dentist appointment today. That was fun. And then after that, I ended up running over to Target. I needed to pick up a couple of things. I placed an order for a bunch of glossy paper just to make sure that we're not going to be running out either before I leave for Florida or right after I get back. On Wednesday, which is tomorrow, I am having girls' night with Rowan. We keep having really weird days, and then I needed to print invoices. And then, like I said, my checklist are kind of like my work-related or my more work-related things like premium matte package, design. Moving over to Thursday, I put in test prints, listings, film, and upload. And then I went ahead and I put in a sticker for the newsletter. I haven't really been doing that lately. I've been kind of just going back and forth with it. So you guys let me know, do you like getting the newsletter? Do you like seeing new releases in the newsletter? I never really know. And then I kind of just do it when I remember to, because I don't feel like it's the most important thing. But I'm sure there are some people who do enjoy it. So for Friday, I just put in I need to do Ozzy's flea and tick medicine. Like I said, we will have new releases. For Saturday, pack for Disney, package orders, and laundry. And then Sunday is leave for Disney. So yeah. That is this week's finished spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.